Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a special type of video today. It is diamond painting related. I was explaining in my whip-in chat that I just did today, which everything should be up, so if you watch all the videos you'll know what I'm talking about. But in case you didn't, I had found out through another creator, a diamond painting creator, that DP with sparklers, diamond painting with sparklers, they offer enhancement kits for different companies. They have a list of companies and they have a list of certain canvases from each company that they make an enhancement package if you want to put a little extra oomph into your particular canvas, if they have the canvas you're looking for. So I took a gander on the Diamond Art Club category to see if there's any canvases that they had listed that I actually own that maybe I could spruce up a little bit, a little extra more than what Diamond Art Club added. So Diamond Art Club usually puts some ABs, maybe some fairy dust drills and some of their stuff, but I wanted to try out one of these enhancement kits to see if I could add a little more to my canvas. So the canvas that I chose was Threads of the Universe by Scott Howden. They actually had an enhancement kit for this one. The yarn hair lady. In case you don't know this canvas, when I'm talking about her, I call her the yarn hair lady. This is a very big canvas. This has 83 colors to it. It does have a fairy dust drill from what I can see here. It's 2 sticker sheets. This is the second one, so it doesn't have that many. And I know it has a couple ABs. It is a 55.8 by 76 centimeter. So it is a very, very big canvas. I really wanted to work on her during my first summer paid vacation from work coming up in the beginning of July. So we're gonna get into the enhancement kit. The enhancement kit shipped and got delivered pretty quick. So we're gonna see what kind of extra drills they packed. Now these drills are going to substitute some of the drills that are, from what I understand, from what I believe is going to happen. I did not print out the instructions. You have to print out the instructions on how and where to use these drills, what symbols to use these drills for on the canvas. So I do have to print out the instructions. But these are supposed to take place, I think, for other ones. We're enhancing it. But I really want to open this up and see what kind of drills they sent. Now, this Threads of the Universe is a square canvas, in case you didn't know. And we're just going to take a look and see what kind of drills we got. So we got crystal number 793. I have never worked with square crystals yet. Look how beautiful. We got 2 bags of these, so they must really be replacing a lot of a blue color on the canvas. I'm really excited to work with square crystals. I've seen them on other people's channels. I've seen them on other people's short reels and videos, but I've never personally worked on them myself. Okay, so we have some 4 squares navy sparklers. So I'm curious on how these are going to work. These are really, really tiny. These are actually tinier than average drills. So I'm curious on how it's going to come to play. Then we have crystal number 503, which is like a kind of a blue-green crystal. These are really, really pretty. I'm really excited. Sorry, a lot of them are flipped over. Next color, we got crystal AB 209. Look at this stunning color. It's like a rainbow AB square crystal. This is going to be really, really fun to use on the canvas. I'm curious. If I had the instructions, I'd be able to tell you where it's going on the canvas, but I don't know. So this is going to be a complete surprise to me. Next color, we have Crystal AB3607. Wow. This is going to be something else to see, you guys. Pixie Dust 912. So we have a fairy dust square drill in green. We have a glitter 564. So these are a glitter drill. These are a minty green drill with gold glitter put on top. Pixie Dust 3778. So these are, it's a peachy color fairy dust drill. Sorry, my nail polish looks really tragic. PL 972. These are pearls. These are yellow pearls. They are very tiny. I'm curious on how these are going to be used too. This is going to be very interesting, my friends. And last but not least, half pearls, AB 52005 5mm. Where are round pearls going to go on a square drill canvas? This is going to be very, very interesting to see. 13 items total. Here is the website. I didn't really open all this all the way. Here is their business card in case you are interested maybe getting an enhancement kit for maybe one of your kits that could possibly be on the list. Check them out. They shipped really quick. They also sent me a sticker. Oh, this has to do with the Facebook group. This is an entry into their giveaway. So I'll put that aside. This is the invoice. They're just welcoming to the Sparklers family because I am a first-time buyer. I will let you know. It doesn't say on here. Oh, it does say on here. For all of these drills, for the whole enhancement kit, it was $38.20. $5.87 for shipping, so a total of $44.07 for this whole kit. So I think that's pretty good. I mean, I got a lot of drills in all these bags. It looks like I'm going to be pretty covered. And I got some really pretty colors. We have crystals, we have ABs, we have sparklers, we have glitter drills, we have fairy dust drills, we even have pearls. Little pearls and big pearls. This is going to be really something to see. I am definitely planning on doing at least 1 or 2 whip-in chats during my vacation when I am working on this canvas, so you can see the progress of how these are going to come into play with on top of the drills that come with the kit. We're going to see how it works. Hopefully the instructions are easy to follow. I'm going to print them out hopefully today or this week. I'm going to get to it because I'm really curious on what the instructions say, but I'm just curious on where these beautiful colors and sparkly bits and these ABs, where they're all going. I'm really curious. What is your guess? Where are they going? Are they going to go in the planets? Are they going in the sky back here? Are they going to go in her yarn hair, in her project, in her sweater maybe? I mean, we did get some light greens. Maybe they're going in her sweater. So maybe put your guess down below. Where do you think these beautiful colors are going? I'm just as curious as you are. I'm really excited to find out. I'm really excited to see how this kit's gonna look, and I can't wait to complete it and hanging up on the wall. I really slept on this canvas when it first came out because it was very, very pricey, and it had a lot of colors on it, and it was square drill. There was a lot going on that I didn't like. But I love the image so much, and I finally just got it. I used the coupon to get her, It's worth it. She's constantly sold out, you guys. This canvas is always sold out. I will let you know, you could find this as a knockoff probably on AliExpress, but I'll just let you know now, I did buy the knockoff at one point as a 30 by 40, and I did maybe 1 or 2 squares, and it just wasn't coming out. The detail wasn't looking as good. But I have a really strong feeling the size of this one, and because it's a square drill, I think she's going to come out absolutely stunning. I'm really, really excited. So again, guys, check out DP Wood Sparklers. Here is their website. Check them out. Maybe there is a kit on there that you have in your stash that maybe you want to give a little oomph to, or you know, a little extra sparkle more than what Diamond Art Club provides in the drill kit that they already provide you with. I mean, you can get a whole bunch of new colors and new sparklers to use on your kit, which is super, super exciting, you guys. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it was a little something different, but I felt the need to share this with you guys, because I was really excited to hear this when I saw somebody else's video talking about this. Now, here's the question. How do you get these back in? They were packed so nicely in the bag. I don't know how they did it. Well, I'm just shoving things in now. I'm really curious about the pearls. Where do round pearls go on a square drill canvas, you guys? Where do they go? How does that come into play? How does that fit? Hopefully the instructions are very easy to follow. I don't really want to struggle with this too much. So that is it for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this different type of video. Hope you found it informative. I hope maybe if you're interested, you check out their website. They got a lot of things on there. They sell a lot of really pretty drills and a lot of stuff. You can do your own enhancements if they don't have the kit. If they don't have the kit you're looking for listed. I'm pretty sure you can look up DMC codes and find sparklers and stuff to match if you want to do your own enhancement without buying a $38 kit. So there was one other diamond painting that I owned from Diamond Art Club that was on the list, and I am heavily consider on buying one for that one too. It's a little bit of a smaller diamond painting than Threads of the Universe. And I think there's quite a few ABs in that one already, but I think that one would look really, really beautiful with a little extra something to it also. So I'm really considering on buying it. It doesn't really take long to ship. It took a little less than a week maybe to get to me. She was super quick shipping this. It was a really great experience. Very, very happy so far. I have a feeling I'm going to be very, very happy once the painting is completed and all the drills are laid down. I think it's just going to look stunning. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. If you are enjoying the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're returning, thank you for returning and joining me today. And without further ado, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.